Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
For question 25, if you want to see which statement is correct from your CRO here, now your CRO is given to you 1 centimeter represents 0.2 microseconds. So to find the frequency, because that's what they said first, I know my frequency is 1 over the period, but the period is actually 2 centimeters, right, from here to here. So 2 centimeters times 0.2 micro, so that's 10 to the power of negative 6. Let me just write nicely first. 0.2 times 10 to the power of negative 6. And you will be able to get 2.5 times 10 to the power of 6 Hertz, which is 2.5 megahertz. So therefore C and D are definitely wrong. So as to whether or not this lies within the microwave or radio wave, so we can find the wavelength using the formula V equals to F lambda. So your lambda will be 3 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 2.5 megahertz, and you will be able to get 120 meters. So if you remember the electromagnetic spectrum, 120 meters is within the radio wave.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.